KSTP is about a relay.
For as low as $2 each. We care about quality.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rudd County, northern Hennepin County, western Onondaga County until 11:45 p.m. At 10:59 p.m.,
I know, one moment.
thunderstorm was located near Buffalo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. At 10:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Buffalo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile dp. Cold is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rockford around 11:05 p.m. Independence around 11:10 p.m. Albertville and Corcoran around 11:20 p.m. Maple Grove, St. Michael, Otsego, and Rogers around 11:25 p.m. Brooklyn Park, Ramsey, Champlain, and Onondaga around 11:35 p.m. Coon Rapids and Andover around 11:40 p.m. Blaine around 11:45 p.m. Other locations